Number one, I already checked that the venue, facilities, tools, supplies, and equipment needed in this qualification met the standards set in the training regulations period to the start of these competencies assessment. Good morning, trainers. Welcome to Skills Trade Institute, a training assessment center created by TESDA. I am Mariano Martin B., your competencies assessors for tailoring casual NC2. Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our TESDA representative, Ms. Mao, and our assessment center manager, AC manager, Ms. Torres. Do not worry about their represents. They are just here to observe and check if they conduct assessment in the accordance with the represent competencies assessment methodology and procedures. Before we proceed to our orientation, I will just get the assessment package from our TESDA represents Ms. Mao. May I have the assessment package, please? Thank you. This assessment package contains all the materials needed for this assessment. For the checking of the attendance, once your name is called, please come in front and present to me your admission slip and any valid ID. Then please fix your signatures right beside your name and then attendance sheets. Candidate number 1, may I have your admission slip and valid ID? Please sign the attendance sheet. You will be candidate number 1. Here your candidate tag. Thank you. Candidate number 2, may I have your admission slip and valid ID? Please sign the attendance. Here your candidate tag. Thank you. Please wear your candidate number tag, please, because I will use to identify you throughout the assessment program. I have here with me your accomplished application form and self-assessment guides. This is an indication that you know and you can perform all the units of competencies enumerated in tailoring casual NC2 and that know once of pursuing of take this assessment. The purpose of this assessment is to measure your knowledge, skills, and attitude, as well as to determine the level of your competencies. If you met the minimum requirements for this assessment, you will be receive a national certificate for tailoring casual NC2 for your use to job application for job promotion, whether here in local, in abroad. This qualification is composed of 3 main competencies. The basics common of the core competencies are draft and cut pattern of casual parallel, prepare and cut materials of casual parallel, sew casual parallel, apply finishing touches of casual parallel. The tasks to be performed are drafting and cutting of casual parallel, prepare and cut materials of casual parallel, sewing casual parallel, applying finishing touches on casual parallel. You will be given 5 hours to perform all the competencies of these qualifications. My role as an assessor to conduct the assessment, collect evidence of your performance, and make an assessment decision based on the evidence gathered. Your performance as evidence will be guided according to the 4 dimensions of competencies, which of task skills, task management skills, contingency management skills, and job role environment, and also using the 6 rules of evidence, which are authenticity, consistency, currently, referency, consistency, and validity. The assessments of methods, that skills we will for these assessments are the sketching actual AI designs demonstrations observation. In their demonstrations, all you have to do is to perform all the units of competencies enumerated for tailoring casual NC2 to the check your underpinning skills. In their oral questioning, I will give you 3 questions for our answer truthfully to check your attitude and underpinning knowledge. And lastly, in writing test, you will answer 30 items multiple choice test assess your underpinning knowledge. If you have any difficulties in understanding the instructions give with regards to the process in this assessment, just let me know so I can explain their instructions given to in Filipino language. Candidates, I would like to inform you that during the assessment, please refrain from using your cell phones or gadgets because when the assess starts, you will no longer allow to your circular phones, and cheating and coach are strictly prohibited. Once you are caught in will be grounds for disqualification. Please observe such safety and the first aid located near at the door. In case of fire, there are fire extinguisher in front and the back of the room. Fire and emergency seats are properly labeled in case of encountered any untoward indicate, please call my attention so we can give approach first aid. After performing all the activities needed for the assessment, I will give my feedback to you individually. So if you have any corrections, questions, or doubts about the results of your assessment, you have the rights appeal. Just submit a letter to the Tarlac Tester Provincial Office. About the assessment results, we observe strict confidentiality. Only authorized persons that and the situations where you have your training proper and allowed to see your results of the assessment. For those who will be evaluated as competent, the issuance of the NC will be after 5 working days. Just bring with your competency assessment results summary, 1 pieces passport size photo with a white background and color, and 50 pesos for the processing fee, and validity of your national certificate is for 5 years from the date of the issuance. And for those who are evaluated as not yet competent, don't worry because you can still apply for reassessment, and the procedure in the same as have undergone for this assessment. Before we end this orientation, if you have questions, concerns, or clarification about this assessment procedure, you may raise your hand because whenever the assessment starts, you are no longer allowed to ask questions. Any questions? None. Okay? I will now give you 1 hour to attend to our personal needs. There is a comfort room at the back, and if you want to go eat there in canteen besides this room. However, during the assessments, you are no longer allowed to go out in this room. Please be back on time. Welcome back, candidates. We will not start with your assessment. I would just like to remind you about the do's of don'ts. From these moments onwards, you are no longer allowed to use your cell phone. Please observe silence in their assessment area. Cheating and strictly prohibited. Your PPEs and always observe safety. Let's start with the written test. This is used for measure your underpinning knowledge is contents of 30 items, multiple choice types of questions. You have 30 minutes answer. Time starts now. Time is up. We'll now proceed with demonstrates. Here is your copy of of the specific instructions. You have 10 minutes to read and understand. Timer starts now. Time is up. The demonstration is used to test the underpinning skills and knowledge of USCs of these qualifications. Come follow me to the demonstrations area. Before anything else, I would just like to remind you once again to always wear your PE and observe safety as your conduct or performance for these assessments. Here are the different situations. First, the draft cut pattern for casual parallel would be plan management design, task slides body measurement, draft basics block pattern, manipulate pattern, cut final pattern, and our second, prepare the cut materials of casual parallel. Prepare materials fabric, layout of pattern, layout mark pattern of material, cut materials. Third, show casual parallel. Our prepare cuts parts, prepare sewing machine for operations, sew and assemble garment parts, alternate complete garment, and lastly, apply finishing touches on casual parallel. Applying finishing touch, trimming excess threads, press finishing garments, package the finished garments. I will give you 5 minutes to finalize yourself with area in this assessment, room and equipment and tools. Timer starts now. Time is up. You have 5 hours to perform all the tasks for each unit of competencies. Time is up. You are now the last part of this assessment. Which of the oral questionings? I will give you administering of oral questionings individually. So please, candidate number 2, please proceed to our waiting area and wait for your candidate number to be called as your administer 2 oral questionings to candidate number 1. Candidate number 1, please come in front. Thank you. Please call candidate number 2. Reason and base, garden and performance will your. Thank you. Please proceed the waiting area for your results this assessment. Candidates, I have already checked your papers in your assessments. I will now give your feedback individually. Candidate, please come and follow me. Candidate number 2, please wait for your candidate number to be called. Okay. Candidate number 1, how to feel about the assessment?
The short course of tailoring NC2 teach you how to cut and sew materials that will undoubtedly be turned into casual clothing. In addition to learning how to sew, you may also pick up skills in machine maintenance. Also develop your creative side in creating clothing. And best of all, lead the product design process. You can check the other talents as you proceed. In addition to the ones listed above.
With that said, congratulations. I would do competent with this assessment. You may climb your NC after 5 working days at the TESDA provincial office from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Just bring with your competencies assessment, result summary, 1 piece passport size picture with the white background and color, and 50 pesos for the processing fee. For the confirmations of the assessment, kindly sign these cards and rating sheets for your cards will be realized to be assessment center manager. If you don't have any questions, you may know now to go waiting area, wait for the TESDA representative, because we will also evaluate this assessment program, and please call candidate number 2. Okay, candidate number 2, how do you feel about this assessment?
The goal of this assessment is to improve the tailor's knowledge, abilities, and mindset, and in compliance with industry norms. It includes specific skills in pattern drawing and cutting materials preparation and cutting, sewing, and finishing touches for casual clothing.
With that said, candidate number 2, I have found you not yet competent with this assessment. You may still apply for reassessment and process in the same for applying on reassessment. Just bring with your accomplished application form self-assessment guide, cards, 2 pieces of passport size with white background and color, and 500 pesos for submit all your requirements in any TESDA accredited center, and wait for the announcement of the next schedule of assessment. For the confirmations of this assessment, kindly sign these cards and rating sheets. Your cards will be started first by our AC manager, so many claim it later. I will give you now a assessment package of the TESDA representative, made the assessor that ends of my COC2 demonstrations conduct competencies assessment.